Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you want to open up your contacts application. Make sure you do open up the standalone version of it. And once you have it open, click on the three bars right over here, navigate into the settings, and at the bottom you'll see import option. Click on it. Choose where you want to import your contacts from, and then this will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now you could uncheck contacts that you don't want. Also, some contacts might already be unchecked and you shouldn't be able to check them on. If they are, they will be grayed out, and that means that those contacts already exist on your phone and the device is stopping you from just importing it twice. Anyway, with all these contacts being selected, I can then select import. This will import all selected contacts, which lists how many that is at the bottom. And when I go back, I should be able to see them right over here. So there we go. And that is how you would import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.